Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Slinky Andrew from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes with 2 circles near the top. Next, inside each eye, let's add another circle. And now let's color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move down and draw the mouth. In between the eyes in the center, let's draw a V shape below like this. And then 2 more on the left. And 2 on the right. Now from the ends, let's curve it down and in. And now let's close off the bottom by curving it up towards the center. And that's it for the face. Next, let's draw the shape of the body. Let's start by adding a curve in between the eyes. Now let's hop down under each eye and let's draw a wavy line down. And then connect them at the bottom with the curve. Next, underneath, let's step in from the side and let's draw another set of curves down. And again, let's connect it at the bottom with the curve. And that's it for the body. Next, let's move up and draw the arms. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a curve down. And then let's curve it back up at the end. And now let's do the same thing on the right side. And now let's follow the same curve underneath. Now at the ends, let's add the hands. From the inside line, let's curve it in and back around for the thumb. And the same on the right. And then let's add 1 bump next to it like this. Now from the outside line, let's draw an S-shaped curve up and then bring it back down for the next finger. And the same thing on the right. And now let's add 2 more fingers to close off each hand. And that's it for the arms and hands. Next, let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw a wavy line down like this. And the same thing next to it on the right. And now let's close off the bottom with a curve. And that's it for the first leg. Next, let's move to the sides and draw the next set. On the left, let's draw a wavy line down and out like this. And let's do the same on the right, going the opposite direction. And now let's follow that same curve down for the other side of each leg. And again, let's close off the bottom of each leg with a curve. Now let's hop to the outside and draw another set of legs. Let's curve it out and then down. And then follow the same curve on top. And then close off the bottom of each leg. And that's it for Slinky Andrew. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!